Dear students, welcome back. Up till now, we have seen a parallel operation of a three-phase alternators, necessity of operations, its reasons, a different conditions. It will carry phase sequence, RMS line voltage, phase angle, frequency. Then we can say a load sharing between the two alternators, checking the how the phase sequence is going to get checked. Its advantages of parallel of alternators or parallel operation of a three-phase alternators. Then we can going to get see the general procedure for performing the parallel operation of generators. When the connecting the generator 2, so in figure you can see there is the generator 1 is there, this is generator 2 is there, this is 1 and this is 2. So this is the generator 2 which I will want to connect with this line, and both is used to drive the load. See here there is a load is connected. So for this purpose I am trying it. So what I am going to get do? A synchronization of alternator, and it is going to get defined as connecting an alternator in parallel with another alternator or connected to the grid under live conditions or live system of constant voltage and constant frequency. This is our requirement. So what we are going to get do? The first step which we are going to get follow is adjust the field current of incoming generator to make its terminal voltage equal to line voltage of a system voltage. So if this is my voltage which is having the 11 kV, 11 kV is there, line is there, then I have to operate this alternator for 11 kV because this is the incoming. So this is a running alternator, this is the incoming alternator. So I have to utilize increase this voltage up to the 11 kV, and then compare the phase sequence of oncoming generator and running system. Running system means maybe a running alternator or a infinite bus, and this can be done by utilizing two ways. One, you can connect a small induction motor to the terminals of oncoming generator. Means with this we are going to get connected a small induction motor, and then to the terminals of running systems. If the motor rotates in the same direction, phase sequence will be same. So as soon as across this same direction we are going to get connected the induction motor, and induction motor directions, this induction motor directions and this is direction, if it is same, both are running in same, then phase sequence is there. Or another method is available where you can say 3 lamps are going to get utilized or 3 light bulbs are going to get utilized. So here you can see 1, 2 or 3. So 3 bulbs are going to get utilized, and as phase sequence changes between the two alternators, the light bulbs will get brighter or dimmer. Brighter means large phase sequence, dimmer means small phase sequence. And if all gets bright or dim together at a time, then phase sequence is same. So this is the procedure which we are going to get followed. In this procedure, the next point we have to follow is the frequency. Frequency of oncoming generator is adjusted slightly higher than system frequency. If my frequency is 50 Hz, then I have to go above the 50 Hz for this frequency. Because when you are taking the time to connect the switch, between that time period, frequency might be going to get reduced a little bit. So turn on the connecting switch G2 to the system, and when phase are equals. So here we are going to get connect this switch. This is a switch. So this switch is going to get connected when phase sequence is equal. Simply what we are going to get say, the simplest way to determine the moment. See, when the switch is going to get closed, that moment you want to determine when two generators are in phase by observing the same 3 light bulbs. When all the 3 bulbs go out means dim or not lighted, then voltage across them is 0, and therefore machines are in phase. So you can switch the switch to connect the incoming alternator with a running alternator. This is the general procedure by using bulbs, but in your power generating stations we are going to get used the synchronoscope. So you can see here the synchronoscope pictures. There, this side you can say the word is slow, this side there is the word is fast. So more accurate way is to use synchronoscope, a meter measuring the difference in phase angle between two phases. Synchronoscope does not check the phase sequence. See, once again I am repeating my statement. It will not going to get check the phase sequence R, Y, B or that. It will only measure the phase difference in one phase with another. The whole process is automatically going to get. When this pointer is coming on this side centrally, it will start fluctuating. This is the best position where you can going to get change the switch. Thank you.